Now I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
Hello amazing people, it's your girl Blick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous look. Let's get right into our video. So let's go in with the eyes. I'm going to use Elegant Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to put a little bit. I'm going to use this palette and I'm going to first go in with a brown shade because I want to keep it simple, and I think I'll first go in with this shade. I'm going to blend out just into the outer part of the crease. I'm going to use this as my second shade just to give me that depth. I'm just going to go back in with the first color I used just to blend the two shades together. So I'm going to go back in with this Elegant just to lighten up this lower. So for this part I'm going to use a shade from the MB Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this shade. I'm just simply pressing this shade onto the part I placed my concealer. After that I'm going to go back in with the first two shades I used just to smoke out the outer part. For the inner corner of my eyes I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to apply my primer. I already applied my moisturizer when I washed my face, so I'm just going to apply a bit of that. For the foundation today I'm going to be using MB Cosmetic foundation. Since I don't have that much space on my phone because it's what I'm using to film, I want to try to keep this tutorial short. I'm going to use Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa for my contouring. So I'm just going to put a little bit of my forehead. So I'm going to blend in my concealer with this side of this brush. For the concealer, I'm going to use MB Cosmetic concealer. It's in the shade Deep Chestnut. So I'm just going to apply a little bit. I'm just going to lighten up just this part. For the setting powder, I'm going to be using this Scale Let's Face It palette shade. So I'm using the same beauty blend I used for the foundation just to press that powder into the pattern I am doing the highlight. And ever since I started doing this method, the there's no going back. Like, it's something I got used to, that I stopped doing pressing the powder with the brush around the under eye area and also my forehead. For the contouring powder, I'm going to use this MB Cosmetic powder. So I always use like a light hand when I'm pressing my powder. I realized when you're too harsh, so does your makeup turn out to be harsh. So I just like to keep my hand light when I'm doing the makeup. So that's something you should consider as well. So I'm going to go in with my compact powder. So going in with a black liner just to make my eyes pop. I'm just going to use this shade as my blush. As my highlight. For the setting spray, I'm going to be using MB Cosmetic setting spray. It's a matte, so it's what I'm going to use. For my lip liner, I'm going to use the Davis number 54 lip liner. I'm going to go in with this MB Cosmetic matte lip gloss. For the center of my lips, I'm going to use this Carrot matte lip gloss. So guys, that's it for our final look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.